So today I'm going to present my activity and it's named game. So this is my design. So here on the source for the JFrame, I imported the action event, action listener, timer, point, key event, and random. So to begin with, I declare a variable score for the score once the dog intersects location with the bone. Moving on to the method move bone. These methods move the bones or move the bone downwards. Parang nahuhulog siya sa frame. This gets the location of the bone, and then this is for speed so that the bone will go downwards faster than the usual. Now this if statement determines that or checks if the bone reaches the bottom, the bone will be hidden, and then the dog will change image from a happy dog to a crying dog kasi wala na yung bone. Then the game over label will pop up, which is ito. Now, if the dog intersects with the bone, this is the if statement for that. If the dog intersects with the bone in terms of location, the score will increase, and then the bone will reset its position. Once na nag-intersect yung location nila, mawawala si bone at saka pupunta siya sa ibang location pababa ulit. This random method is what I use to randomize the location for the bone once it intersects with the dog. Now this Boolean method is a method that returns a Boolean expression, true or false, if the dog and bone has a single interaction with the location. Kahit ang ginawa ko is kahit hindi sila mag-intersect, hindi sila same na location talaga. Basta mayroon intersection lang within yung X and Y axis nila. Considered na yun na intersection, kaya maa-add na siya sa score. Then this method will increase the score and display the score sa score label. Next to the keyboard. So, sa design ko sir, meron akong keyboard and yung buttons. Para alam ni user kung gusto niya, pwede siyang mamili kung keyboard or buttons yung gusto niya. So, for the keyboard, once na pinili niya yung keyboard, madi-disable itong buttons na to. Madi-disable yan. And then, the game will start. So, I use the timer start. Pag nag-start na to, sir, bababa na agad si bone. So, from the top, this is the original location. Once it starts, bababa na po yan. So, the y-axis there will be a value of 10 added to the y-axis para bababa siya ng mabilis. And then, once the keyboard is, pag napili na yung keyboard, I have here the key events. So, for the key events, this is the one going right. And kapag pinindot niya yung right na button sa keyboard, the dog will face right. Kung left naman, the dog will face left. And for up, the dog goes up. And for down, the dog goes down. For the buttons naman po, if ito ang pinili niya, madi-disable itong si keyboard. para hindi maghalo-halo yung command and mag-error yung program. So, the keyboard set enabled is false. Ito, naging false. And then ito, i-enable niya po lahat yan. Kaya true. And once na napindot na po yun is same din po sa una, the game will start and the bone will start to fall. And because a value of 10 is added to the y-axis. Now for the, ito po is yung mga button po, which is here, the controls here. Up, the dog goes up. And then, first of course, ilalocate niya kung nasan si dog. And then, pag pinindot niya yung button na yan, is, it will go up. -10 kasi the dog is nasa baba. So, if ma-10 mo, mag-increase or magpa-positive value yung y-axis, kaya po tataas. And then, for the right, the dog will go right. And then, mag-face din po siya sa right. This set icon is para po sa mga animation. Para if nakaharap siya sa left, biglang ni right, mag-iiba yung parang perspective or yung angle ni dog. Then left is go left and then the dog will face left. And then for the down is bababa yung dog and then yun. So, ito rin po nag-add ako ng form window activated. So, once the form is activated po is naka-disabled lahat po ito. Para hindi ngayon magalaw and dito lang muna siya mamimili. Once na nag-start or once na nag-activate yung form. Then, naka-hide po muna yung game over para kasi po hindi pa naman game over, start pa lang. So, that explains my code, sir. Now, I'm going to run. So, ito, sir, naka-disable siya. Then, if I press keyboard, yan, sir. Pababa na yung si bone. And, mag-intersect sila 1 point. And then, habulin ko lang. Then, 2. Nag-turn siya sa left kasi harap siya sa left, sir. Then, 4. Ngayon po then 5 yun. Pag hinayaan ko lang siyang bumagsak hanggang baba, is mag-change yung mukha ni dog sa sad, and then game over na po. So, i-run ko lang po ulit for the buttons. So, same lang din po yun. Mas maano lang to, mas mahirap lang kasi press ng press. 1. Oh my god. 2. Ngayon po, paghayaan ko siyang mag-change ulit yung image. Tapos yung game over magpop-up. Yan na po yung, sir, demo.